Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will be unboxing my brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black. So here it is. I also bought a SanDisk 64 gig Extreme Pro card. And here guys, you can see the card there inside and the adapter. And every time you want to buy another card for your GoPro Hero 7 Black, you have to make sure that it says you have to use the Extreme Pro, because that is used for 4K videos. It says there. I also bought this cute little handle here with a cute color. This is no ordinary handle guys, because this serves as a floater. So when you drop your phone on water, you can always get it back because it won't sink, because it will float because of this thing. And there's the accessory inside, and later on I will show you how to mount this on your GoPro Hero 7 Black. The third item that I bought is this one. I bought an extra battery. So you can see guys, it's not only compatible for Hero Black 7, but it's also compatible with the previous version, Hero 5, Hero 7. So here it is. And the last item that I bought is this one. Every vlogger knows what this is, so I'm gonna show you how to use this later on. I'm gonna try to connect this GoPro 7, so we'll see how it looks like using this gimbal. Okay, so let's start unboxing this camera here, but before that I'm just gonna take this thing out of the way. Go. Okay guys, as you see here, the camera comes with a transparent plastic. It's really a hard plastic here, you can see. And if you turn it on the right, I think this will be the accessories that you will be expecting to get. That's inside the box. And when you turn it on the right side, you can actually see the features of this GoPro Hero 7 Black. So it says here you can take a picture up to 12 megapixels. Here it says it's waterproof up to 35 feet underwater. It's touchscreen capable. It is GPS enabled. And of course, the most important thing and the main reason why I bought and I chose the GoPro Hero 7 Black is because of this hyper smooth feature, which is written in the front, and that really has a lot of difference when it comes to the price with the other GoPro Hero 7 versions. On the right, you can see that you can actually record a video, 4K video up to 60 frames per second, and also 1080p by 240. And the GoPro Hero 7 Black is voice activated. Here guys, you can record a video up to 8 times slower. And of course the HDR photo, and it's also capable live streaming. Now to open this up, all you need to do is alright there. To open this up, we'll just pull this blue strap here from the bottom. Okay, there, and pull it out. Oops. So here it is. So just pull the box right there. It's empty. So this is how it looks like from the box. So let's open it again, see what's inside. Oh. Okay. There we go. So here are the other accessories that comes with it. I think this is the charger, the battery, and the clamp. Another clamp, which is the flat one, because the other one here is curved. I think this is meant for the helmet. Okay. Let's check. Ooh. Oh, there. Paperwork. Which is obviously I'm not going to read it now. So how do we remove this thing? Ah, so it's mounted. So to open this, to remove it from the clamp, you have. Okay, so to detach this camera from this flat board here, all you need to do is remove this clip that says, I hope you can see it, it says remove. So we have to disconnect this. So all we need to do is turn the lock on and hold on to the camera just to make sure that it won't fall off. And there. So you can see here, this is the clip. It says remove. You have to remove it. So I guess this serves as the lock. So all you need to do is pull this out. There it is. Okay, so this is now the camera. So it's same size as the previous version. Here guys, you can see the camera is still inside the hard casing. So we have to remove the camera from this casing, and all you need to do is you have to look at this arrow here that flip it up. So it's a bit stiff because it's still brand new. This is my first time opening this, so you have to make sure not to apply too much pressure to avoid breaking it. There. So there's a clip or a lock, and then I think we open it from there. See, there we go. So take it out. So what we do is we pull this there, pull it out. I'm sorry guys, this is my first time doing this, so bear with me here. Pull it up. Push, push, push. Alright, there we go. So this is the casing, and this is the camera itself. You can see here there's the logo there, GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's really small. Bye turtle, sorry. Okay, so guys, so this is it, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. You can see there the says Black 7 and then the GoPro in front. So that's it. Alright guys, this is my new vlogging setup. So as I promised, I'm just going to show you how it looks like with this floater handle here. It's really very small. It's really perfect when you go to the beach, boating or fishing. It's perfect, you know. It just floats your camera. It doesn't sink, so you won't lose this quite expensive um, action camera. I also have my 4K camera that I use, and of course my tripods. So that's basically it, guys. I will be making some more videos using my brand new GoPro Hero 7, and I will also doing a review on how to use it and how to set it up. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to check out the videos that I'll be making using my GoPro Hero 7, just make sure to subscribe to my channel. You will be notified when those videos will be uploaded. So thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.